Well, today's looking like a real spring day. David and I are headed up Queest Mountain. We're at the bottom here. It is really warm and already sweating. So it'll be interesting to see what the snow is like up top. We're partway up the trail and there is incredible views of Sicamous and of Mara Lake. 28 kilometers up the trail and we're at the Queest cabin. Let's go up to the Alpine and check out the views. Some cool towers. Yeah, we have another tower over here. Not exactly sure what these do, but kind of cool. And more cliffs. And check out that view. Quite the view.
Oh yeah. It's crazy how the cloud line's just enough to see it.
Yeah. The avalanche conditions are high today, which makes sense. The snow is super sticky, and they're probably being safer with that forecast rating because it's really warm today and unpredictable. So Dave and I are not gonna be pushing any terrain today, but it'll be interesting to see if we see anything crack off or break. David's okay? Oh no! Bit of a nasty one. I didn't even see that tree. Did it have snow on it?
I didn't either till the last second, and I thought it was fine enough for me to bank it.
Yeah. Did you find that using the brake helps the corner smoother?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that, I was happy about that.
Nice.
And I was like, oh, now you drifted too wide though, and I was like, oh.
Yeah,
It's a mind of its own.
Yeah.
My skill, and before I felt like I was fighting it. Yeah, you could try it later too if you want.
Yeah, David stiffened up his compression on the back and his torsion springs to put some more weight on the front so that it steers better and climbs better. It's untouched just over this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's always like when you're right there.
Yeah. Yeah. First signs of instability today. The wind slab cornice broke off. I don't think it was triggered by anybody, so it was natural. Unless us just going across the top here maybe triggered it. Okay, let's see if it breaks. Yeah, quite a bit of debris. Oh, soft too. Since nothing went, we'll tickle it a little bit more. Oh, wow. Still couldn't get this to go. Stubborn until it isn't. a start to it. Hey, that was really good. You just had to stay with it. David definitely would have ridden that out. No problem if he'd given it a little bit of gas and stayed on. Gonna try an arrow bow tie thing right there. Not sure if it's gonna be steep enough, but. I was like, oh, I don't want to hit the tree. So I bailed. There we go. Yeah, a bit of a layer. 1.5 feet down. Nice.
Still fun.
Look at it all stuck to the head. Oh, nice! That was a good one. I was half expecting, I didn't follow you around that corner because it was blind. I was expecting you to be planted there.
I thought so, but I'm like, use your brake, stay on the gas. And I was like, oh, okay.
Nice. Cinematic pow turns down here. Sick. Man, that was neat. And guess what? You just pulled up to me and the snowpack just wumped.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Not worried about it here because we're probably on like 10 degrees or something. And we are at 16 degrees. Not in the red or the yellow, which is good. Yeah, this would have a real hard time sliding. It's a good spot to be playing on a high avalanche day. So we were just talking about avalanches up there. I was kind of worried about this. You know, that could definitely slide. And when you go over further, boom, there's a natural one. That's already slid. So, very interesting. Woo! Ooh, my turn! Go, baby, go! So much better.
Yeah, that's awesome.
David's letting me rip his 2024 Freeride 850 Turbo. Oh, yeah, there's something about a turbo. Yeah, the NA is fun, but the turbo is a lot funner.
Your excitement shows in your riding.
It's like, oh, I can go everywhere faster. Makes the guy a lot more tired though. Well, that was fun. Now we're gonna go see if we can complete a loop. Kind of steep and techy in here. Sweet. Nothing to it. Nice. Oh,
Wow, yeah.
look at that.
Look here too. Oh wow, look at that. That's like wide.
Oh, that shows it so beautifully.
Can you see the layers?
It literally, this all came down like it's on my trench.
Yeah.
Like this far.
Holy shit.
See all the way down in there? See that it's slabbed off? This is 25 degrees. We just used the slope angle tester. So pretty neat. Completely unsupported it right here by cutting that trench with my sled. David went up top. And then the whole slab shifted that much. If you can imagine, if we were playing on a great big slope that's like 30, 35 degrees and it all came down and it's a 1.5 foot slab, that's a lot of snow. So stay safe. Sun is going down. What a gorgeous view in the distance. Wow. Incredible views. Wow. Eyes on David. Haha! A little slab went.
I wish I had my camera because I could see straight through.
Yeah. Yeah, quite the slab broke right there. Good having eyes on. Kind of make the sled wheelie and keep your left ski in my trench. That hole on the right, it won't even exist. Oh, almost. So,
I should have put the ski more over.
yeah, more in the trench,
Yeah.
and then it wouldn't catch and like shoot you up. When you have that little bit of forward momentum, it doesn't matter if the track goes over like weird stuff.
Yeah.
Because if you're able to have enough momentum to just get up there, then you can just brake and just stop right there.
Yeah. I was in my mind more than anything. I was like, I don't want to go first and the sled come on me. Or
Yeah. Turbo. Woo! We made it! It's gonna do a hopover right there. Oh, look at that! Yeah, unsupporting it. Yeah, and like, let's say I wanted to side hill through this steep gully, and if that slid and I end up upside down under my sled down in the V, that'd be a bad day. Well, we're on the trail out now. We did a great big loop, which was a lot of fun. Okay, kind of a cool feature. Came down the trail, saw this great big overhang, and we're gonna get up on top of it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, little slab came off that too. Expecting that. Quite the overhang. Yeah, we're back to this beautiful view. Left the time lapse going for probably about 5 or 6 hours there. And this is what it looks like. Well, it's just about 6 o'clock. David and I had a fantastic day. Did a loop, so that's always cool to do. Great day on the 2025 Summit X 850 NA, and ending off the day with beautiful views. I hope you enjoyed that time lapse as well. And thanks for watching this Mountain Standard Time episode. Stay tuned for next week's video. New upload every Thursday at 1:16 Mountain Standard Time. Woo!